Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today I'm going to explain 8 easy and effective ways for weight loss that works for everyone. Let's get started. Number 1. Eat breakfast like a king. Breakfast is the important meal of your day. Keep it balanced. Always include a source of protein, some healthy fats, and fiber in your breakfast. I always include 2 boiled eggs, soaked dry fruits, and cucumber in my breakfast. It will keep you full and helps to avoid unnecessary cravings. Number 2. Say no to sugar. Stop refined sugar for 30 days, including junk food and liquid calories. I'm sure you will see the difference. There will be a noticeable change in your weight, and as a bonus, your skin starts glowing too. Number 3. Early dinner. Finish your dinner before 8 p.m. Always maintain 3 hours gap between dinner and sleep. Number 4. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Can help to control hunger and boost metabolism. Number 5. Walking. Simple walking can do wonders too. Complete minimum 6,000 to 10,000 steps every day. Number 6. Lemon water. Mix lemon juice in lukewarm water. Have it on empty stomach in the morning. Take breakfast after 30 minutes. Lemon improves metabolism and enhances weight loss process. Number 7. Mindful eating and portion control. Eat consciously and avoid distractions like screens. Chew every bite at least 15 times. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portion sizes. Do not overeat. Have small and frequent meals. Number 8. Stay active. Stay active throughout the day. You can take naps, but don't be a couch potato. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.